Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced, and welcome to this first episode of Catalogs, Manifests, and Metadata. Oh my! And this is a podcast about Apache Iceberg and the whole world of open source data. So throughout these episodes, the first bundle of episodes will be just kind of getting into what is Apache Iceberg, how it works, what it is, why is it important, and whatnot. So it'll be very Apache Iceberg focused. But as we get deeper and deeper, I do want to explore other open source data projects. Probably start off with like Apache Arrow and Nessie because it's some of the ones I'm familiar with the most. But then going further and exploring a lot of the other exciting projects in the space like Ibis, Substrate, several of the other Apache portfolio projects like Apache Calcite, and there's just an endless amount of really cool open source projects out there that are really enabling people to create pretty awesome data systems at a fraction of the cost and with maximum flexibility. So if you enjoy this podcast, do subscribe. And again, if you're listening to this, you might be listening to this on one of my other data podcasts, which include Data Nation, includes Select Star from Data Lake, and In the Grand Schema of Things. So if you're listening to one of those podcasts and you're hearing this episode, well, I invite you to come subscribe to this podcast as well and subscribe to all the others because they are going to all have sort of different content. So yeah, subscribe. Again, this podcast is going to be really kind of really focused on just sort of exploring the architecture of open source projects and kind of helping understand sort of how they work. So if you guys enjoy that, do subscribe. Again, my name is Alex Merced. For those who don't know who I am, I'm a developer advocate for a really cool data platform called Dremio that really allows you to tie together a lot of these open source tools in a really nice, easy to use platform. And I also am the co-author of Apache Iceberg, the Definitive Guide, an upcoming O'Reilly book that should be released in the coming months. So I spend a lot of time talking about this space and thinking about this space, and I have a lot to say, and hopefully you guys will join me to for those discussions, for those words, and I'll see you all on the next episode. Again, my name is Alex Merced. If you don't already follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter, please do. And you can find all the links to how you can follow me in the episode description and also in the podcast description. And again, I'm pretty easy to find on LinkedIn. But otherwise, have a great day. Enjoy. I'll see you all on future episodes here at Catalogs, Manifests, and Metadata. Oh my.